Portable hammock chairs are more space-saving, easier to set up, economical, portable and a tree-free option to traditional hammocks. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for choose best hammock chairs for camping. With so many different hammock chairs on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for camping. If you're looking for the best folding hammock chairs for camping, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 hammock chairs on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Rocking Hammock Camp Chair. If comfort is the top priority for investing in a rocking hammock camp chair that you can carry along on your next trip, this swing and recline variety is a crowd favorite pick. It is slightly more versatile than the other hammock chairs on this list as it allows the user to switch between the two motions with an auto-recline feature. This high-quality hammock camp chair is also suitable for use on just about any terrain. Find the right place for it no matter how rugged or uneven the terrain is. The rust-resistant frame and mesh seats are ideal for the outdoors lifestyle. Its compact size packs small and weighs just 2 pounds, while it supports a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. The supportive headrest is inbuilt and gives added comfort to this luxury lounger. Product number 2. Portable Folding Hammock Chair. Weighing just 11 pounds when packed with simple setup and repack, carrying it around for use anywhere is a piece of cake. It even allows for a weight limit of up to 300 pounds. Sit back in the light padding, relax and enjoy. The extended dip provided by this hammock lowering your center of gravity ups the comfort factor like nothing else does. Sway back and forth laying in the padded polyester seat with your head against the comfortable foam pillow as the static and stable powder-coated steel frame does a wonderful job in keeping things steady. This portable folding hammock chair is surely built to last, even in your minds. Product number 3. Hammock Lounger Camping Chair. Weighing just under 13 pounds and packing away rather easily and compactly, this foldable hammock lounger is a lower-cost option for those in search of a good hammock chair. Take this along on your next outdoor adventure and take the phrase, "sit back and relax," to a whole new meaning. The reclining comfort, from 90 to 130 degrees, is only elevated thanks to the detachable footrest provided. The heavy-duty steel stand supports the chair and its polyester and mesh breathable fabric, both of which together guarantee stability and comfort. A weight allowance of 200 pounds is supported by this hammock lounger camping chair. It has a whole range of accessories for added convenience like pillow, cup holder, headrest and mesh pocket. Product number 4. Recliner Hammock Camping Chair. A high-quality yet budget-friendly reclining hammock camping chair? Yes. Made of a steel frame with breathable mesh fabric keeping the sweat and odor at bay on hot summer days, this chair is synonymous with durability and comfort. Weighing under 11 pounds, this camp chair with the provided carrying case will be the best carry-on on your next trip and allows for a weight allowance of 330 pounds. Choose from 2 heights based on your level of comfort as you lounge in this recliner hammock camping chair. Several accessories like a cup holder and a storage bag are also included. Durable steel frame to support the recliner hammock camping chair. Breathable mesh fabric good to keep sweat and odor away. Several accessories for added comfort like drink holder and storage bag. Product number 5. Folding Hammock Beach Chair. With all the benefits that other varieties offer, this special folding hammock beach chair even comes with an umbrella with UV 50+ protection and triple swivel to keep you from the sun. The lightweight yet ultra-durable steel frame of the recliner chair supports a weight of up to 250 pounds. Owing to its lightweight nature and how easy it is to pack and unpack along with the carrying case provided, it is a handy addition to your beach kit. Choose from one of 3 settings: sit upright, recline or lay back completely to unlock the ultimate hammocking goodness. Chill with a cold one while you're protected from the sun, placing it in the insulated pouch which can easily hold 4 at a time. The detachable footrest also ups the comfort factor. Other accessories include a storage pouch with an outlet for your earphones and an inbuilt bottle opener, adjacent to the insulated drink pouch.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.